against the removal of the Chief Justice. Name process almost fast for the no fee say or my can say I want you to run to her. Not processing anymore. Afe Ghana coalition against Galamsey. Almost assembly tiawa almost say aban no declare state of emergency. Na bibia anya da enkoso o de Galamsey so some eba Catholic bishop so kind of paying say omun declare state of emergency na omanpani delay no it means betrayal of the country. A minor and oye di hwambo on declare state of emergency. And no fellows of Osukwa Chidi Betuja say His Excellency the President is open to the discussion that will lead to declaring a state of emergency. Yes, what tumukra. Okay. I don't pay mamine yawachi and any hokani one more and a future life in a coffee by a company in your friend Yao and Olivia and your friend Ya Bolivia. Macabo. Mubibia ya bako when the mata de crano omasha de cro bako de any black and white bako de any blue black and white ti fufu wom na ni nyina so tuntum wom omu nyina bo watch na watch na set bako watch no bako ye design bako e de no so hey odo de uba na nya duro ne ye ton no ye ton aduane. But why FFF nyina say a future life? Omo toma no mu dibi. Yeah, dibi. Na mo to say. Yehoadom boko. Dibi aboko. Yehoadom. E do ba de ase. Ya, yanko. Ye da urade ase so de da foforo ache yen. Onyontofo ne say ye ni da urade aye. Momo mo ne nye o na mu ni ehurusie ewo mu. Enipa ni je wo fom. Ade ntira ya pom dene entimi nyina so. Temichi obi biara wo tie na no pai. Se aduane ba ko pen wanwa so a obedi a ebeboa wo eye future life daache won kwa na wo bo ho ban eno de enyi obi na eye ama wo eye wo ankasa future life ye aduane ye wudie na ni gisem se ebre wudie no wo be men na epam yade nyina efre ho ye kanfo de ama wo na abobusa se future life ye den eye natural food supplement a ye mfansi jaso ye ya wie dada ntisa won saka wo de ane se wudi nsuo na efra wodi nsuo mixen te se ne wanya gari bi Cerelac na wudie no future life ekura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids omega 3 selenium modular inulin dietary fiber high in protein te aduane ba ko no bibia wombi na ni gisem se obia so dibi obia dibi enu nti ye kanfo ama se efiri utirim kosi wo na ase wodi ye aduane na wudie enya aduro na wo nom eye aduane na wudie na nya aduro na wo nom eno ne ye kamfo na ye de ama wo eye wo future eye wo life daache won kwa na sese wo bo ho ban enye wo maame na enye wo papa na enye wo kurum hene na enye wo asore sofo na enye de wo to abama no na emom eye wo ankasa ma aduane a wudie hu hia wo eno ne ye kamfo ama wo aduane papa ba akopɛ eye aduane eye wo future eye wo life ya wada mama me kwa homa no so na obi ewo ensempa bi kafa eye future life no. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Na pacho wan dey.
Mensa na ka say.
Your friend say
Mensa
every hen.
Me free
Tanoso.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have future life. One product na. Me say me take just here kaka.
Mensa kasa o yetiu.
Okay. I may be a victim of it. Me Yare Koda Hospital. Now I was diagnosed of prostate enlargement. And see, a primary hospital, now, will be back catch them say, oh, with this issue, say, me call a future life or horror. Many woman in really been a fine. Me kwa process and now, I even talked to the doctor, and the doctor also didn't believe it. He told me that we should just consider the orthodox medication. But ye me no, and I'm a call now. Me I make inquiries now. Me pay almost prostate enlargement a product maybe. make tomato prostate capsules, tea, infection removal. I mean the sets now. The mammy na me koye. See me koye na me started say me using that moment instruction and I want to say and he said me tea, bread, milk, egg, oil, meat, and yan he said me tea. And see me toy na me me to almost smart food in the so the car home.
That's right.
Now me no na me me tea now before that before I make one make quiet scan, now my PSA level no yeah 12.7. And see me see at the end of the year no metro no go with it according to the instruction given no. Maybe no na me say quiet scan deal no. Now fe you know a PSA now 12.7 no about 2.6.
Hey.
About 2.6. Me American. Just a scan in our home. Not about 2.6. Let me say, oh, okay. That is marvelous. Okay.
And the obedience.
I bet you. And see, I had almost a product in the day.
And you see, I want to say.
Oh, me who ya papa. Me who ya papa.
Enlargement near the no abnormal.
Apart from normal.
Ultimate Jones so come on.
Ultimate Jones so come on. Many problem bias.
Just say, oh, call you don't want to out to me call come on.
Oh, but me call come on.
Your process enlargement, the boss out to me more Juma. What crowd you muscle? What in the crowd muscle? I see the BB the deal to me boy Juma.
Me put mammy be fine.
Okay, Juma, you were Juma or Ding or
Ahmodin or hobby bia.
Dear now, catch the wood or our prostate enlargement.
Oh, make them my catch the old team say, product near product I papa auntie say, oh, experience be sana say, or be my advice say, come make inquiries now at least. Say, be a more, lay you or her. A drone will have the product will have it near software now. It's appropriate to go there and then experience it because a exam, Casamasa, me who say, papa. See, the Macache here for the say, and your phone say, almost and yet then uncle future life. Now, almost committee, sir, empire.
Okay.
At Yanina, you know, and a drone almost capsules, look for a full supplement. That is how I see it. It's a full supplement. See, one of capsules and then a tea near Dinina, not as a whole problem.
Okay. Mr. Manson, I better say I'm not pay, Mammy, and my Yahona fee. Olivia.
Now, on my note in a Casamwa, just any pay the Oka said the NHS, where you will be a school anymore. Hence, Uncle Fonum said, Chini DNA. Yanti ya say a woman papa. If it's okay, you know, what each other doctor say, oh, me ain't fabro food. Yan can't sabro food yet. Yan can't that. And I near man also a year do in the woody. Media may conform us, would they draw so, would you own their draw so, but I never did it. If you say you knew an idea, I say, yeah, more than a bubble, a your future, a your life. Now you're 12 so, and notice a wood ya. Baby, I'll hear no bain as a Freyania 0246 01 another 01 50 and they estimating Haya ya baby ewaha and I face a crop market. Moamo and pa me boshain and the Abrapo Junction Yano, Muba crop market wa Mubenyabe, young
Olivia, Faga Crassos and Afe.
Infections na about me more no high. So when infections now, there be infections no call or gland in them. A cell cells in the part, na enlarge a chena cancer than who I remember prostate and I can't want them. Ben may be your prostate. But we share infections were Ghana hankasa. Me were Ghana and Tisana make infections were hankasa. And no need in the paper brain. I made the paper brain when your cervical cancer. The eye bearman or by Bibi Mayo. Oh, I know a chi or ya. O kidneys no good be beam to second 10 wachi. And wanted to me call home. Umbetima cell liver, umbetima cell when it is so any problem, that's infections that they buy. Obey treatment is uncle, dear Drobe Goo and Issa. It's yet they will buy a tackle, dear, a massive problem. enti tea na de be ma be kumwa ni nyina ebe say yi sa you know bacteria na aba o kidneys ni hu nyina sa abo na enwa we treatment bi enko enti ye ho de me se ye tu yare na se free ho ye be se wa duane die ti se nuane pi bi o ha mo ni padua no ye se due nyina na problem se wo nyina na o minute no ana se de ma wo gyan so babunu na ekofom enti eni me ni nyina boost system no enti no de ye obia no se enti na nkwala yare asisi aneko ti e boost minute na bo se na de ye obia no ubesa na eko eti brasio ne ntro aduane papa obedi enye se wonya aduane ni wo fi o aduane papa ene balanced diet fi se nipa aduane hia balanced diet eti se wonya balanced diet na da bia na obi bia ekofom obi o prostate problem bia oba me ne obeto nchia obi se yare bia oni pede fi uti su kosi na ase obi amra se pressure ne diabetes abeka ya busua ho first ne ni ho tete ne ni ho ene yare bebre obekwa yiye ba bia ayese o mo fa aduro mo nkwa ha na mo nkodidi first ne ni ho sa eyede na se yare abeka ye ho se be say Japan ni China for say China ne India for say wonya 70-75 na fe no asi ma ba abrem eno mranti brem ye de esi ewu bra na benya 150 years 120 years ahu odin wom na meka sciatica no ho asem kakra enipadua no da bia meka so you can deceive nature edua nyina ne problem obia bibi ejejina wapo no so ye gregre se wu nyina na esan na kasa na sikasa no so na ahya ase etwitwi enso hu se dompe no hwe dompe ti se nantwie no wo ben se na wo nante na etwitwi no baba ye flat tokro betima dem wo betima nya bone cancer wo nyina na wo nompe na wo mu na nkasa no na ho ode na ekofom eti se wo di enuane na ema obi bi omu ye den eti repair food no repair o joints no repair o muscles no ena ntiri na ho da bia ma na ye mrenya den ti wo bo na wo nya na waye titiriti na bibi twifa na nankokom osemanya mazupu obu etaba na dwopa edo na ma stroke chi nkrofo no inside no hu wo bedi enuane na repair food na da bia ma wunti ne ye mremremre enye de obi kura de etimete na moja eba ye de ne future life wo da achi na abo ho ban enka nche me se opese onyina nsa so de ayi obi na ne chere bi mai enti so wo na doso yare na doso ade na wo tena yare ansa na akono maduro anasa wo betena ma yare adondo ansa na wawu ade na samria wa hoden na o ma yaso yo na medi nuane papa ibi enuane no so ne bo nya din o udi anu ame udi na no pane anwumra wi anu odi normal food enti ho de oba etutu nuane ankasa yes so be future life is good for everyone obi a medi bi abo me ne mabusua wote ho ye de udi so fry anu wadi enanuane na ye di ni na ekuye you broni so you are what you eat de udi no sa na wote eti bra yaso ye ho na be pe enuane ne bi di be ka ha wo kire ensuma obi ye we exercise ye de ma o e kire kwa be fa so a wo be da kra wo be no musuo ni ade bra ne mo office owo na doso ye nyina ye mo ne mo ho da ro ka kire wadamfo ka kire unua mese sa asori bi wo ho na omudoso no mbe se be kasa o mehu ye be kasa fi so obi wa na onim no watena o sa o si nim dia me man ninti o be tena o sa na owu mesra be ifo nya obi a obi wa so be ifo na ye me ma me nua na ye me ne ma me so de onye ne da so o te ho sa na owu mese bra aso ye ho so be ifo mpo ye wa o ba ye ho be jai o yo so full alignment main office no ho enua no so ya to apete mampon konongo enkran ba bia ya to apete na so o ma dade abra aso ye ho na emo ensuma obi usisi ye o ya ukotodwe kase na sikase na so ehu yesi wachi kase biebie bra ye exercise ahodo ebe yo ni ama waduane repair food ni bi beauty food ni de ebi beba udie mare de e fa nkasa beauty comes from within eti collagen na ewo mu no bia wu nyina na ekofom collagen wo bia mu ena ma wo gina so sa ababunu nkotodwe usisi waposo no waposo nyina obu ana na beti ehwan obu ana soso ne kon no ote ho osebeda asumye so ma anaye ene ma nkoso ye oni padua nim usa na ntesa ede na unyine na tesa me nante kakra na mabre me na ase apejepeja betena ka mu a ni nyina ye se bibi enkoye woni padua nim future life implement yare ante ne padua o sa sickle cell obi amra aso ye asthma bibi ye obi a oba ebe mu aduane a ebe boa wo so ma me wo pressure de diabetes ana se o papa obi a yare enye ejapade na wapra fa se yabusuan yare ni no yo so full alignment main office no obi amra obia se de otie bia braso e obenya aduane papa adi efise balanced diet esiesie ne padua no be ma ho aye mre on kono num no obia infections na cause sa problem no o se wade na etwikom na ho ode kofom Now you want to cheer.
Yo, Future Life no any e kan wudi aduane no uwie no one life tonic. Uwie no one life tonic. Better life tonic. Ya so ye kese no Sofoli alignment. Na ya top to o member bia in crime. Wo benya bi e wo Telecom University. Abeka Junction de no. Call police depot ho no. Na afi Palace Mall. Palace supermarket bia nso wo benya bi e wo enkran. Enu firi ho de na ba ha. Greater Kumase. Frɛ yen na yen kira wo benya bi wo Kumawu. Benya bi Cape Coast. Obuase. Baby ye wutie number na wo frɛ ne a ye be kira ma wo so akwa akoko. Aduane na wudie enye aduro na wo nom na mesrawo enam ye nana oba panyina wa firi mu ne nti na yie ne ya wada de se ne ye nyina ni wasanteme ha no ye mma nti ya wada de nya wadwene se wo beba ne ye mma mesrawo wo akwantuo ma memma na ye mma nti ya wada de ye mma na emu fiada de ye beba ewrade enka ye ho no won hye ye den se ne be ya won so betimedie ni wodi adanse no man ye 0242
0242
87
80
90
90
0242 87 80 90 and a number for 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 Future Life here Diane
no okay I was for Olivia do John one sorry na ya bo ma ka ye asantemawura e ko hwe inuaba eni achi na oduru ho wo de asa na de ye nhwe kakra Eti we asantemawura abra wo ye dey wo hwe eniema anim yaw ya bobo eniema bi so anopa titru Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey Catholic Conference Bishops Conference any Sentokwana Ghana ba for oku so mo ye den yo abronye nso yamani bail fuel prices are no pay petrol cost 4% diesel 9% Mamintio yaw asante way omrande em bobo bi so Mamintio
akonta ayi Galamsey baby ya ba bedru me dia akonta mfi se de be ya na be Galamsey ne de be ya na be
ya on you say BBS and de be ya na be
ene be ya na be de be ya na be ensi aga say the powers that be omo mbetime declare state of emergency omo muntime declare omo be yese no nyina ne ade nyina akonta say kwa de yakwa kugina say president Gusu a state of emergency no
he is open for
akonta
so it concludes they don't have the balls
akonta Galamsey ne de a politics as usual ye de enema bebere aye
to me yenya results
yenya mfaso bia mfiri so no sa na Galamsey no ya ba bedru sisi
won see yi petrol politics free afei ene ye to petrol mu kra
enye Ghana for bio nye ya de foforo bio ti sa no pe ya sori enim se petrol ya tumu enye Ghana for foforo bio because you say politicians no petrol bo na no muntimi muayen ene ne ye to petrol say dokono boy say mutitia light bill sani mani akota ya ba baby a Ghana ye politics no yaba honorable say chairman sabu susu ne kan ya transmogrify abedru no say enye Ghana for de nwanwa bieu say yatu petrol yatu kaniem light bill and water bill.
A big deal some time ago. In the name of politics and to win political power.
Adia Ghana for yembesi wo ma ye say bia yen kanea be start ye dum so na fi Ghana for say because he feels say he is paying for a service
which is not being delivered.
Mo into obekasa ho. Aside no akota Ghana say no me say omo ntiba anya hwe a enye me nwanwa. Who said make I say adan me yam say me asema president kan ye say yen kodru baabi e be declare state of emergency na ye de akọ Galamsey na say
kan you no ne make asai
hey president as baby ye dru ye nyandru ho de nsu aye dru ye nru ho de kwaye ekika ko ye nru ho de ye dru a ye se ye wo nkwada a ye be wo akwada ne nsa ba ku ni ho na ni ba ku ni ho deformities ni ade ye nru ho ti epesi ye dru he ni ehunu se ye be declare state of emergency.
I'm just say tokrodo.
Akota ne krodo no yato o. Ne krodo no yato ba minimara ida say ministers no ene state agencies no briefing say bi omodema president no e different from sane ye na ye wo form no ye hu ye nsuwa no eni sane ye sitie no e bia na ye different. Akota what am I saying? E bia de ye hu no ene de aban krachefo no kobo president amani omo de kobo no no e bia na difference mu.
You see Ayensu River no. The threshold of Ghana Water Company's treatment which is 2,500 NTU no. Ayensu River now umutimi SBA ediye treatment no. It do 32,000 NTU. You make out to say. I was say a 2,500 threshold. Now you say insurance say crowd. Almost threshold. I was say almost the treatment. Now you say a 2,500 Ghana Water Company. It almost insurance say NTU no a 2,500. Now you say also mu treaty. It's here a 32,000.
You free 2,000.
Every 32,000, so it is untreatable now. A drop bien who have it to the treaty. I use you na in the panel.
Yeah, akota enema mi bisa me ho say. Sansem we ya Ghana Water Company. Akota omo ye state institutions here. You be can say omu ntwantro. So unza akota ye wo aban aso ye ne aban atena ya atena ye bi ho no ma so mo ba bonte be kasa. Ya na emodu.
Yes right.
Nti Ghana Water Company Limited for be ka kire yen say yensuo ni nyina say emene nsuo omo no ama Ghana for ye nya binum no enura awoso omo de no ano eye kane ne 2 a se say times
Edru 30
a
yeah 1 minute Dr. Rivers no point to chin come on. Doc, good morning.
Good morning, Japoko there.
Nyame adom na so e.
O dem kwache.
Yeah, do ba dia say. Anopay atie for ne ahwefo ye ne chief executive officer Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies na edin komo kakra. Petrol ye nyante ye say ohamu abupen enan bi abeto so e na diesel so nkron. Pacho de nti na abasa wadaoma.
What is I no correct? Your range I know you use here. Yeah, our range is between 3 to 5% increase for petrol and 2 to 4% for diesel, and averagely 2% for LPG. Right?
Okay.
And is a range because it depends on where what fango, right? And it depends also on the Okoto Fango Fino, or also no commercial arrangement on any BDC war, right? We talk cash and carry a go into upper so CCR into ultimate the total value now. Now increase here because of dollar now apostrophe with the CD no. if you say whatever they say fango bona and shut down cost to be brave. I mean even less than 1% for the highest one, right? It be even 0.5% on an average. Because in payment the conform cra, it can be a baso kakra, now cost kakra. So pick the average of the two windows, right? Now after so one of the most important factors, you know, a dollar rate, you know, because if I'm going to in dollars, so we need to convert stats, right?
Okay.
18 dollar now I think a cost no and I'm a fan of a cost a very straightforward.
Now does that mean say dollar no buy no and say and near maybe and to be answer sana economy not just say you also have no choice than to come again during the window no na masa page moana.
I say we are the I would say the second or third window. Yeah, increasing price of fango because of dollar now any stable no. A year from February to now no fango block or former because of dollar a call from Meboa. It's a call from no so yes we hear the back from yes we hear the back from. It's a costra ebeka ina the semi say nyame for samba. That's what we wish for. Cost of Juma,
okay. Dr. Rivers no pomedo asanope. Okay. Na 79 hour. Dollar ne peja. They had no choice than to increase it. Ya no anu so far no see na afemi kwa asante.
Akonta me de America ne se galamsey no. Baby a yaba beduru asoman. Yankasa yentrase. Samu baby a akota sika no ehye fom sika de da fom ye befa ba konta ye fa no ye mfa ne ye se meti manso takorase meti manso akwesi so meti manso ye friend say ankam na ye se gold e da fom ana se gold se fom ne ye bekwa akotu ne ye se sika no a ne ye de ani bedi a kire na insua
are we losing it as human beings ana
akota ye taste
yeah free nipa tibia mu ana
akota nipa bia wiasin babia nipa bia no ujai de opema no a obeye
so one famran to ha they say abrochire upon all the laws nipa ye miscreants ne deviants e wo ho
minti na nkwala bone wo ho nti na omo soso ye nipa bi bu mra so e wo ho nom na
police for amra na ye atuma no
nke be fa ne senka systems ne se ne omo si aso omo kro fe nti enya wo fe a wo koye bone akota watemate nti nipa da se ne bia uja no a se bi obedi nkwasi asem
you behave like animals without laws.
Yes obet sa boa so nti yen so no yen yesam wai sabio yesam wai a yese yensuo nyina se yen kwa yen nyina no yes ya ho kire ye pesika kwa akobobra ba yen trase ne yenwene ehunu se ya no ba bia ya duro die mo de mum yen firi nsuo no ho
my politicians are higher power
akunta no
politicians are higher papa just say eya kamia koye say to me be di nipa ensemo a the odwira ne oba massive wealth at the expense of the citizenry and a cha when NPP was in opposition 2016 omo kasa galamsey ho papa over kai China phobia mom kwesa mom bae omampani jomama hye excavators binum ni ade omo kasa ya omo ya no makofa Mahama Yariga Kasa said now he's lost it with Galamsey. He doesn't know what to do again. NPP by and another day in the presidency to line. First 4 years there or yeah Juma. After see last year na kwesa chale ye be continue mungo didi.
2020 okolusu Galamsey areas seat nyina no. no so unu said the ekika kon ne ne sa na tie dia
mintan no su bio
mintan no su bio ntie ne ne monko na monko
ebegu engu
so hu
hey
politicians yeah
NDC comes to power and 8 months the situation is worse and yet you hear them talk like as if say yeah ko
and ye de galamsey to abapa o
yes
2024 de galamsey to abapa ema ye koya begina kuna na kufu ado konso say
Professor Jampo mo
okaso
anani you say Professor Jampo I was say adwuma e di ama no ntino on follow galamsey no to say they will follow hey
ema yenya
that man is a hypocrite
yenya organized labor omoko strike
Jesus
because of galamsey say
and then they were nini now Ghana Superior Authority hono obafia onumzo
oh akota say omunsuo bi na aba na bottom ne boarding no ese to ba ko say 200 cedis we say no almost come no
Jesus Jampo Timika say he's not been abreast lately with
say ohwet eposo tema
eje punsuo no ye distill man no ma ho
ship so no ohwe say nani wo ship no so more than ayi sa ne ma no
civil society adi hwamo wo hwe civil society organizations party be or power o meka sasa party be free power mom he say bia ne say aye ne edi agu GBA for so mo ye biased
association
now NGOs CSOs edu me bi aso mu ni bibia wo wiase o my omo expert wa born the doctorate why yes we expert in mining or you expert in security ni afre no akoti think tank bi no Jiska United Nations think tank sa no mabeka yes we authority why they don't prefer any solution, they just come and speak because of their stomach. Many of them
kanenwa enke se nsuo ye da ho ya ye ka ho aseminka nananom dia wo nananom dia enka motie asimu ya mo kwa akoye mu adwon wabra nananom na ema mo kwan no enka at least nana eba be gina nsuo no
obe stop mo
okuta snap pentu ede enkokɔ ne mponche be gina nsuo no
na okra be dwane
and ade enche omu ye sa ade ne wi a ade enche wo be ma fa galamsey efidie no chamfan you say excavator no ko sinsuo no mo say okwa akoye adwuma bio ene sa atumi no a ewo nanano mo nsem a
ya je ma politician
at least o metimi dia protect
ehuna yen no
Jeffrey nanano mo nsem emene nanakura ntimi nsama ni pass o mra himfie because politicians say your constitution
you can't
human right
somebody Supreme Court be rule
mo
say it is against
say ohene beti masamo but that sabre nananom ya sa ne manua ne de boy empota mu ye environment
na sa constitution ya na enya adwuma o fikesi
ya bi ho de enko
bo de also ye yipa o de enya asantema wura na so aton sa afre wa ka yen so ma
wo be ma
wo de enko
wo be ma tina nsatia no
politicians are high ye no
when su kase pa o ensu a galamsey aye ne sei still edaso da ho a etene sei no na je sei
enra lawyer George Pon say dunkwa on ofe ensuo no sesi a no fin river no udu bridge no so aho ewie
yes akunta
o say odu ho no na machine sinsuo no so ofe no o say enu opebre enso so its tributary no is dwindling.
Yes.
On say asante sensuo esotia na ne kwan no eye ketwa. Sa na ofin eye. Empanifo hunu konongo achi ya. Ade kai wo mo fa bi. Wo mo de aeroplane be si krom ha. MP wo de Land Cruiser na nam. No wada na ha ne ha nyina ye tum. Wo ko ni krom kura na oda na driver de ne ko galamsey etuae seshi important baby ana na obi frɛ adidi aba kwan ni mo ejiese wonam aho ekwan ni chen say who say excavator ye adwuma the other side excavator adwuma and a kwaya ya bokaye no omunu ase ye wa ha na emergency na adwira gu politicians intimika be she political suit akokasa na wan we have done the lip service. I was expecting His Excellency to act to tell us say you nui ya bo ama ebusa no paint ye nkodru hin eyin de enru ansa azati ma mi tio kakra
me de galamsey fight and for that.
Okay, Darryl Bosu oha member coalition against Galamsey. Darryl, good morning.
Opening, good morning.
Now pom to say yeah, my baba Sumpa 93.1 and some party. And now no now say we disappointed. And now they almost say there be Oman Penin declare state of emergency now in certain areas. Adentra.
Yo, Penny Milasi baby. Sana okay, no. Last week, Oman Penny say Ghana be do no. And then soon. So this state of emergency now yensa ye on the ground you need communities they be almost fraying efa the air so Senegal say so munsio emos so mu human ade ni ye kwa ni ade no almost feel say they dia ye do no and yen tia say so man believe that you answer say yen train because as far as I are concerned no a major set of emergency last year Tony started to say this state of emergency. Last year, now high and NBC for that time no more opposition. I supported CS also the position say first state of emergency. Last year, now that time now last year. Now water treatment stations no and so now no more no now about 14,000 NTU. What health organization say? And here was a water treatment facility treating my no. I was a pollution level between 0 to 5. Last year, there were 14,000. Many water company can say, since some of their stations would mean 32,000, 2 times last year and more. And so you do have said, Nanya Mako on the ground, they did the east and western. They are not insisting that quiet down. About for by ye. They also trace mom also. They are not insisting quiet the one for to do so you for that. Yet truly now to Galamsey. And to what's now touch as a Galamsey no any unity calls and ye serious are. Now only nuclear and ma or minor. And so no Sunday young woman no. Ye feel said they be a worse idea. And cassette of emergency a long overdue. And say a fossil general so air say. That solutions no man pennies or the to Jan. Yenzi. Now you try a one fossil try and one they be said they bet now boy a best solve a problem no at this state of emergency in some targeted districts and regions. A man penny and say. Omude omani true for no who say 6 regions any 21 districts no man who say Galamsey no cost of the day the same thing I answer here can yes a 5 districts in the regions make sure say we action in those areas no and very very strict now you to Galamsey and say once and for all then the mean say Galamsey we say abano any break no more day Oman kasa omo interest no mu no Galamsey me say what say the Oman penny no last week na sika wo mpa omo yin sika e wo man num se na e koso no na de wo omo di sika sem no e dey priority over young yen show ni yen start ni ye die ho sem de me sure say no kwa obu man to make sure say everything is balanced. Everything is balanced, but yes, I'm you. Okay. You know, so person will solve this problem now. I was in the Mia na decision media. I bet you ding. My main contributions also. State of emergency now ye bisano. Why you better implement state of emergency? The power is in the hands of the president. Ukasa Yamfa state of emergency no and Conco boom for it's in your hands. Ukasa Yamfa state of emergency no and stop all movement of excavators and any fabrication of trammels ne shamfansa ni na won sem. Ukasa Yamfa state of emergency no and shoot to kill ni na no ejina president no so. And the state of emergency any the tool constitution no president no kwan say e to the yet business into me ya use that tool no the details of that tool no ni na jaba and so one person no sorry no one can say hey state of emergency anu be dion e dey kaden then on person on state of emergency here ya ko so be galam say
okay Daro medal say no pay Daro bosu na motene kano Mame Emma mabedwafo akwaba wo mo atenase na ye dwendwene o man ho no ano abali du say do salamu alaikum
alaikum salam
na umpom to say
oba de na do meji boko biye ko
oye former MC Asokore Mampong sanso ena me wo Sounds so enemy war Justice Prempe, Regional Communications Team Member NDC. Justice says they be able call. Yeah, nobody has say. Nobody do. Declare state of emergency now. Coalition against Galamsey to government. Catholic Bishops Convention. And so man penny delay. State of emergency no is a betrayal. Delay is betrayal. Declare it now. Almost the Omanua Tumbi. Felix Obosuka to say Mahama never gave timeline for ending Galamsey. Our parent your mama and Kase with the 2 years, with the 3 years. Kwa oko. Anopay. Emrebema near share a year Abronyan so Yamani bail. And a fuel prices. See 4% abetos. Mami tu anope.
Omani ya do watch it. Did come I mention na ya hwefo na ya tiefo nyina. Na so mpa nso platform kese. Say a platform ketwa. Ti say sorry na tekrema da bodwi mu de gie mu fusane na ababet na say o say din na sekese so ema otwidi ampo. Bi so be kwa ma MPP amanyu kwachitafo nyinara. Na no promotion na ibi o man na no ansa na mekọ o question so no obeka ya na no ukuada His Excellency the former Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia oba Santimantem
That's right
oba obedi djuma bibiri oba di odiba nyina yinkuranhye sem na ode be ma party fo se ye di nkugu sanete na mom abre bia no ene de ede ba mframa ayeboyi ene nsema ede ba ho na nyina no se okodi nkugu a o se wo hwehwe woni ma na o san ekosi akan ya da enimu no nyina no se esama ne nto aso se be ya dwumadi na wadi ne ba bia wadi akwakodu no obeto aso amna ama afri ho saka kire biu se owogidie yi pa se party fo ni nuambo party MPP amanyu ko ne chitafo nyina beto abama no na obehia se ibewie no obefere obi bia one na contest ni nuanu nyina efie ya efie akonya na ato fie akonya nso se to a obi a de hye privi ntimi enkokeka nsem e de ehaw beba a ebema ebewie no na nsisi akwakoye den ama nti obi ahwe ne kasa mu yi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wie no there was a massive endorsement for him in Ashanti region nti mefa sa akonya we so na omo na omo didi nkomo baabi bibiri no so beda omo ase se omo JP ne former vice president di nkomo ti nyame unhyiran baabi onam bia so nim se unyame be kan na wadi dwuma no na inshallah nim se ye brenye kwa 2028 inshallah ye be we ni abato na ya san form government o man ehi ne free ene aba bedu baabi a yaduri ese assembly safwa ebi asebe o man ne galamsey ye dwumadi a ha o mayi ba
na omai ne wotititi a obi di o enti eyedanya ebekọ atia obi nanso se ebekọ akotia obi se obi na no aduane ne ade ne de ye hwe no so ne ye hwe omai no nyinara empuntuo ne nkanko omai ne MPP e bae no na adodankwa Akufo-Addo wota okwadu a no wa America ye de ka se ye bi na emom ye nipa su enye obi a na behu ade a we ya bra wote so na emom wo kọ nchen ya amfo kire ne nto aso ti emisi obi a behu anepa e ba beye omai ne sabra no beka ya na adodankwa Akufo-Addo o lanche o kan esi ni pi e ka che Ghana fo nyina sa galamse paade o mani ndi ayi mo Ghana ha efo so de na ni no nyina ne ne mra mamu no kra beto ho kra na o de beto wan kan fafan ye ne ma bebre galam stop galam wan obi a be di adanse o ma he ne se ye kan no obi ti a se we ne kosi se nanso no se wanya o pepa se wo be ye kra no enye yizi enye obi a ne betumi a ye wie nso o ma we a etimu yi enye ne na Ghana ewo dadada enti mi obi adwene ye ne se na adodankwa Akufo-Addo amamuo 8 years no obetumi ahihye bibia ensida yanwo ye ne esidan ye besibia wie ye bewu na nkofo gususi ye nsi wie enti dwumadi ye agyekyekye o man de ye be ye ne saa de akọ
that's right
o man ne obeka ya ye kọ 2020 elections sada na me parliamentary candidate obeka ya
that's right
ye brepa Abra na me member of Ashanti Regional Security Council. You call Tontokrom. There was an issue. I call. O mine, you call on winning. Yeah, call Security Council. Nipa omu bejina me honi meeting komo ye be 40 something. Omu nyina fi Aswansi constituency. Aswansi fu omu wo mining areas. Hey. Nam say mama ne am say o ana go no muki na samu kana. Hey. Aha, I'm saying. So, obia obebia. Nemom yan say because of say as one say for overi krom for tafu for na kwabris for ntino. Yenya bikwa ya de a yan hwe ni ye ntu ase a. Ebe ha o mayi. Enti ye kan ye fight. O man ye wie. Ye fight galamse si yenya. Na NDC President Mahama ne a wotia kunya kese so no wa dispatch mi nwa Kwakubuan me ne Kwakubuan we were on a program am so kwakwe mo wade a mo kan you see ena yete so but mo kan hunu se yent na so nkopem se Yesu beba enchenche o na fe ye pio ye be ko nchen ma mo so mo be but mo kan hunu se ensema mo kan ne e be footprint e de amam o mane omo kan ko ka kire omo se omo ntu aba ma wo omo bi se ye ba na bebu omo adwuma omo ba ombe mo omo kwa omo aye adwuma o mane one thing that should be a guiding principle for every politician and consistency you need to be consistent
that's right
me te hay me nka se MPP ye pese e 2 NDC ye pese e ba ba mu nti no bibia menim se emmoa bia na maka ne na da bi me te hay me te ama MPP me te ama me din eni mani munyam enti me mmeka de a ochena se ye bo kire me a na fe sabi se me nunu miti dabi e wo se me hu sa de asam na meka ne na ochena metumi aka ne sa
okay
o man ne enti ye call election MPP lose most of the mining areas almost all baby ye MPP dominant ayensu ano MPP timi lose ayensu ano man ye yi na nu ya atakwa so ayim MPP lose onim de ti lose ye because aban we ko ka kire won say MPP mamo nye madwuma amoye monto maye ye ba ye be mamo aye o maye ne ene baby aya ba bedri na no a oti minua ya min okwo ne ma no fo gushi ya ngala small scale fo gushi ai o ka jo mo sa no de okuma amu de bia ebi se ye kwase wa mo sibi kwase wa mo ebe pe se ye beboa wo mo no mani fo ya mo na mo boa ye beboa mo se ai empo NDC Ashanti Regional Coalition Coalition Office Coalition Center
omo na bo omo na finance ma omo ye omo se ai na fe headline ne ya ba yes ye ma mo ye adwuma enti ono de ofo awon so omo ye so what sort of political gymnastics is this enti yakọ ne yakoka we wa ne yakoka we wa me de coalition for coalition against mining small scale mining or whatever coalition of other omo achempu omo ye yet Ghana ha na organized labor can say Galamsey etu atese enti se o ma pani and declare state of emergency a omo nyina de omo nyuma ebeto ho anche UTAG BAM UTAG University Teachers Association of Ghana omo so si o sa ban and declare state of emergency a omo de omo nyuma ebeto ho Catholic Bishop Conference omo bodo omo nante ye kire so obekaya se Galamsey ekoso emu sem kenten ma ubia ntansane ni nyina no ye de bebo ye e de bo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as if say Nana Akufo-Addo wan ye hwe fine o man ye ka ni say na NDC ene o mon krofo kasa se monto ma ye mo de abato no a monto ma ye ne ye ba ye be o man se wonu obi kwotena se di nkom.
Okay, I have done my checks and it says that MPP in 2020 lost 20 seats.
Yes. Bebre.
These are mining
areas.
20 seats in the 2020 elections. Reducing Nana Addo's figure to 500,000.
Yes. Okay. You lose all the mining areas. Oh man, na enye is how. You lose
But it was not all the mining areas.
But the chunk of them. Na ayensuano pa MPP lose ayensuano.
But we didn't lose Ayensuano to NDC.
But we lost it.
You didn't lose it to
no,
NDC.
It doesn't matter.
No, he said they lost.
Yeah, we lost it.
He said they lost it to NDC.
It's not attributable to you, but we lost it.
He said they
and
lost
we lost
the
as
seats.
a result of that campaign that was launched.
Takwan Suayem.
We lost. So, baby, ono mua. Yeah, canon. Na mo so mu show mu kutupa se o. Mo nya ba moto ma ye ba ma kwa mwai. It is ene aban ba na oye kokwasa. Na almost small scale for no.
Philosopher Suka say aban ni won fie nan. Wa ma timeline say afi we nkwa wie no wa tu Galamsey.
Abra no mo ma na Akufo-Addo 1 week so declare state of emergency. No news and Akufo-Addo wa mo bia timelines. No news and Akufo-Addo 10 year or period of 10 year.
Okay.
You see there should be parity in our reasonings. So ufi say enra net say ya enekra e wo say yes ah. Mo fire adwene eni agoro say as ye nim de ye bi. O man ne Galamsey e ya de ha adwene ye fighting Galamsey and na from yen MP won say because of sa ye nim de o nintin. Won say ye kasa. Ye assure o say ba mo be yo. Mo NDC for na motenche na mo ka kire won say mo ba me mo maye. Ya fi ani say ya na ye hwe. Say mo ka kire won. Ene baby bebre nsem bebre koso ma yi mu a ukomu a eya assurances bi e na mode ma mo na ama akwakoye sa na nu ya ubetie bonofo so sampa issue so e ba ya e na mo NDC work kan se bi kire ye na e na mo afanye adwuma okokusa si president e press conference was you NDC work kan se bi kire mo hyehyɛ mo abo bebre you see so sa okase bia me de abatu ya enu nsunti no makata mani mesisi maso de mi nim se mi ntimi yakora na mehye ho ba because you say utimi di tumi utimi to ma me ekwaji tumi di tumi kwajo ma me ba fie masa in this case of politics of our modern day yen ne sa o bema bibia beka bia no you will pay price for it. What we are saying is that coalition no fine, it's a good call. Ba no ye twen se aba no so obe de ba ya adwuma o so won fan ya adwuma o na president ya ne central focus ya ka kira mo se o se small scale sika se illegal money nyina ye sika nti se ba ye futuo mu a nyina ye ne ye sika nti ye de bio o man ne si o man na ye omu no emu nsem ye kenten ma wo me de bia me ka kira Ghana for say you know what abatuo bia wo sunsuanso se obetsa no aka se me de me nkoto sante ne nto aba ma obi papa mbe ya adwuma anye yes obi papa ne nipa baako Nemo say anybody obi papa no. So no kwatena soro wa. Obe lay down policies a ebeboa ma wo ba ne wo nana ne no nana kan so mo nyina nya bibia ye. Enti se wo ka o na ka se me de me nko. Oh, me de me buafu. Nsem a yakeka egu yeso ni nti no nkrofo be bi ebufu yi. Onko to my this nemo yesusu kura no onko to my. Eno na ya empempi na this eyesa wine ye lusu how many votes as compared to a figure in 2020. Ni na yesa na ba we bia. Also no dey NDC bad want to my nemo want to my enso. Na akopa ne hye ye bewie no na ede akwa akodu baabi a sebi wo dwen wa na wo kire mu a ye nkire efise enkosi baabi a o ma ye ne ene they've tied national governance and good governance to dollar to cedi. When you artificially use our reserves to show up and maintain stability within a short period, we need say sustainable. Na ene a chance here skyrocket here. Masa, the back stops with you, but at the end of the day, no, it will expose you in the long run. Because BBI can be our own and say just say, or shall look at dollar to cedi. What does it? Dollar no I say, dollar no I say. Meanwhile, tenets of good governance. Yes, economy one, account. But because of that, and security should be in shambles and tatters. Go and see what is happening. Boko is burning. Bupugumiyo is burning. Sampa is burning. Anuya Amile is burning. Bole Bamboy is burning. And Yaso Utium is burning. Half of the country is in tatters. You feel say, a memo no reset and Anuniana. They should be serious. It is a small scale. The coalition against small scale Galamsey for no issue statement. Omudi issue because Yankrano, Omo enya, Oma Mayanya easy. Omu Tuja Yaswa, ye bi, Nemum, Omo Hunti se ne, Omwa neka, Abra no more person, a ridiculous state of emergency. No Sabana is one a tower mochi, Omo Bomachi don't pa. Ntenas and this Abadia. Then I go see what. And then this is for Monya, Sabaya. Omo declaration of state of emergency now, Moya, who did so Mumua, Omoan, or another Mabataso. You rest of them. Monfanya Juma. Na Ghana fan to my penfra. Galamsey.
Thank you.
Enyadipa.
Thank you. Mame Embra justice repo. Justice Mame Joe.
Mame Chow. Na me na wase na me mo abaso. Nze there be am catch stations na doso. Nti se obi je breast on tea station bi anemu sompa no be.
Ma oneso kaka.
Sompa no be hwa na nipa na de ayade. Ti de di kan mo sompa tea for abaso na me mo wan kasa so abaso. Na me mfa nhia kese pa nkwa hemfi. Yencha na. Nse ene de arawosem na ade hato eni ye wede ya de na etumpem ti be cha santiman na
echo dampem from Enra.
Oh wow, that's fine. Ya be cha santiman say we de ade na ato eni na ya free we asinyina so bia meka santiman ho na eja hinyina yempepa ye nisu na amase city authorities ese omo make sure say nhihye ya ide agu akwam no omo behwe na omo diso na bibia ayekama na amase krum hamrantie ese yedrusi a na amanfo nso afamra de asho musem ti e bese mante ni se we de yi na aba se unim na akofamra sho nsem na okoyi bibi boni bia na asim bi kokoba wanhwe yi ni bewi no na obi ekufi susu na ode we nya kwan anya de ankufi ti e bese mante ni se omommo homodin na masra santemai. This is the time youth no yam mante ne mabawa ikusko students of history. We see our name bebre on my the culture of Ashanti. Yenye de yenhu da yensu yenim. Until this time here akonya biaba say ne be boy on board say ye be bemben is TV na ya bemben radio na yetimi asua asante amamre ne amane fefa asante ma ye de ye wono na amachi apostle Kwadwosafo so abusuafo. We say arehosempa ni petitu enti say na oman ya hwe no na arehosem ti enchi apostle so abusuafo na enra na mehwe video bi na say na the company ni Imperial Express na minim da bus company na enu na MPP4 say omuko bugu ye omubu company ni gu Adwasafo na narrative story na ono ane baba Adwasafo nti arehosem minim de nti ababia mo person mo the politics ya the FIFA ho na ya lusu papa teacher say arehosem na o my wadaro ma ohu video ya circulate wo Asante Achimi MP tomatoes bebreba o makotia omunya atofobia tomatoes bebrebe but the Okromanum na Union MPP for a promise one district, one factory. Had over 273 million Ghana cedis as of 2022. Shame. Now the Miami Yakran say Saudi factories no more intimate and seen across the whole Ghana cry. Hasanti Achamadi, hey MPP stronghold. Hey baby since 92 or Matu Abasa the ama MPP. It in Kamuntimi Yashe cry my union magogo for no. It's a simple factory. Anka your tomatoes here betty my processing into paste. Na ke feed senior high school say oh no kofo we aye sika 273 million cedis o man scan away scan ahye kwa yakwa asante ache menura tomatoes na gugu box mu na his excellency president mama say wa order say yento ne farmer secondary school say de e wo ho ne yemfa nye de yemfa feed yo mo intide ya ne say wo hwe ekuru kakra kase no mato abasa ade ama MPP na o mantimi anye ho hwe de arehosem na hokan bibi say Dr. Bawumia ba sentimentum na Dr. Bawumia ba no we in the NDC we were expecting that he will come and mention track records na ko the scorecard neighbor oba yensem obeka nyina yensem
also oba be Eddie Chel Panum ne and Cransha Semo Bread Party for.
Say a honorable can be about consistency. Now, one politician our exhibiting in Ghana say on your consistent with all due respect, Dr. Bawumia. Listen to Dr. Bawumia. I say he said this on October 14, 2020. I say presidency not a remedial class to correct mistakes. Dr. Bawumia say President Akonyano, any remedial classes. No waka say why am from so inti wo ba be correcting. So what is he saying today?
No, I'm not a president.
Oh, say
he was not a president.
Oh, you were vice president and
no,
you were fully.
You see, say you added a word, vice. There's a difference between vice and a president. Or say president. When you say president, it means referring to the president.
So a vice president.
Yeah, what I mean is, also, say or say president here. Senanado Nekai.
Okay.
You can take him.
Senanado didn't contest.
Very good. What I'm saying is, if Nanado has said, and now your mama has said it.
Okay.
We are dealing with president.
He was speaking in his capacity as the presidential candidate. And now all to a President Mahama say President Mahama sra was sent Ghana for say to abamano yen to abamani because when you kwanye dibida and a president in your baby will be to me better so be correcting mistakes. And so let's put that aside. Ghanaians so judge that. Dr. Bawumia again said say can enyo no kwan enya zero oboko. Into a candidate so enya zero oboko it doesn't mean that ultimately win elections. But Dr. Bawumia failed that he had never buy to address a specific problem. So for your 4 regions in Ghana, basically 4 regions in Ghana. MPP for no more winning elections. 4 regions: the Upper East region, the Upper West region, the Northern region, and the Volta region. These 4 regions, no MPP winning elections for order. And the assumption was that MPP for fact candidate who free the Northern region Emma. Enuntina de bi omoye de omulusu elections no enti ye de Dr. Bawumia ba from the northern region said the beya obeboaye na gab no ana vote na ilusu no e northern region no wa ba beboaye amaya de yenya sa vote no ene ye de wo Dr. Bawumia bae for the first time a yenuano MPP for a president a candidate from the northern part of Ghana wosu koya no wakwa ko lusu poto Ulusu we a wose enyanwanwana President Kufuor Lusu President Akufo-Addo Lusu osakwa kokan Victor Usu Sankofo we a ububo mu din nyina ye Akufo-Addo from the southern part of Ghana. It is so mo kono of no mu koko nya zero ho a enye news. But wo Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia wo ye somebody from the northern region there. I was say nya excellently. It is also about the kekasi and now ma opponents no. Yera Kennedy Japan.
Can we extend that discussion to
mutu so mo fam mo nye de.
And they said nyame na also done as here. Let's move on to the topic that or te hon to so at hon. Let's move on to the issue of Ghana.
You're stating it categorically clear. It is not factual. And it is not backed by any data. Say MPP for Lusu mining areas because NDC forecast say you be bo mama but yourself for me na mining area. Formina hey oboase Formina.
2020 the dynamics was
it changed. And so the point is they lost because of their incompetence. You will see it be brave Ashanti region anoma ye Jiffy or Monsema enya mining areas.
2024
2020-2024 we are just see it be brave few or Monsema enya mining areas. And so they should give us a break. But you see, young Kasamonche PP4. In the last week, I had to Abewi from January 1 to January 6. A dear na pamo PP4. Se na nye Buapira or more than 100 mining licenses. Over 100 licenses in the last week of President Akufo-Addo. Na sa wo yo ho anoma akonu. Na wo ko atifiko ko hunu su no ano aba na fo no aba bebisa. Homa hini yekroma ye wono. A small scale miners and baby or more a hona yenuanum illegal miners no so koko bob wedja enti say ye ni baby a ubia di kan akọ humpu so okoye mining na illegal miner no oni akukudu so obekọ ye wo MPP fo wo ba ban mu e na wo be ma license boom e na man krofo bebre akonya no mo de aide akwakugo and now mankrofo bebre akonya no mo de aide akwakugo. Please take it easy. Pepe say u revoke ebia ne say say u revoke obi license a o man hene ubetimi age license na free nsem. You put soldiers, you put military, you put forestry commission there, but at the end of the day o kromanom and nimri forest ye hu say soldiers, forestry and penifo bebre a mo ball man hu ban e wo ho. Yes, still the illegal mining was ongoing. Me put the enunti na me so because he declare state of emergency I mean because you see state of emergency simply means we should take our security agencies to the place. Now my unti kromanum no boase he ya to abawi he mante mako kono a omukushi asoja for ha soja for the ball mutu a mante no tutu ha at the end of the day mante 9 enkuno ni nyina wuye. So what we are seeking to do now, and say, because state of emergency, the can you say, Yamaya soldier for coin, Yamaya police for coin, so Muko who will be a mining area, you monitor Kuno.
But that's not state of emergency.
What is it? What is it?
State of emergency. Eba say because of the dire nature of a situation, for a song and a taboto.
Very good.
Edem has said. Mamu makwa mo bi
so how will you enforce that?
Nema nipa nhwe se obi enwura ho.
So
na obi enwura ho no de obeya so den no.
Good.
Oman ni.
Na omo illegal.
And so there's nothing like shoot to kill. There are state of emergencies which are not shoot to kill.
Good.
There are state of emergencies because it is declared by the president.
Okay.
It is deterrent enough. It is deterrent enough.
But this illegal mining here, say presidency na declare say emo obi anko. President na 9 months. President tax force.
President can say ojinamra so aye bibia. It is different because the moment state of emergency comes, it moves to red alert.
Good. But we are already in the red alert. That is why we are pushing soldiers, we are putting forestry, we are putting immigration.
You remember Vanguard? NPP Vanguard. Galam stop. Because the word state of emergency was not declared.
Was it not declared from the president?
Yeah, but it was not a state of emergency.
No,
okay. So if it was a state of emergency, then UTAC and Ghana Coalition and Catholic Bishop Conference will not add Salman Penny declare state of emergency.
So the point is, brofo.
Brofo.
Take it easy.
The parameters and the ingredients of a state of emergency cannot be compared to say Oman Penny.
Good.
Oman Penny.
One common example.
Say a state of emergency. And Ababe to be the Crawford Kogu baby a kontokwa.
Okay.
Na soldier for eco peacekeeping. Okay. But the situation can become so dire say nipe no. Ababe to make say I have therefore declared state of emergency in that same area. Obi obeya ibiano. The ebe no. See me a chain. The anaka first no nka soldier for ebe treating with kiss gloves. And at the moment is declared red alert baba bia. What is say wan kra we aboa kra. Adwene bi be catch you say ye betime kum.
Say ya establish a commission a wa on kaswa boni di say galam stop ya titi ku bebre a omako president na order.
It was not state of emergency.
No, I'm not saying that. What is a state of emergency? It simply means that the security agencies no kwako enforce yemra. And I may make us say, oh, enforce mra. There are people who will be deviant.
And they are shot.
And good.
Very good.
We are only saying
Ghana
that.
For fee say. Ghana for fee say. Ya kodru baby a. Yentimi ma a deviant in society. And say o man nyina. Che aban ne bae. Or the anije be catch say 9 forest were retrieval.
Good.
Just last 2 weeks. Abrante ya last year.
Erastus.
Ghana's journalist of the year. Okay. Erastus has come to say they've gone back. So it tells you, say, as I would on Sabako pra, now Musu see actually, which means that person, he's a criminal.
Okay.
That person does not seek the welfare of the state. So if Obitisa, Nasa Abaino Emma Kwaima Soja Foko, near you the free honor now might be bow. If a state of emergency is declared, now a whole Kumasi and Tokwa Wahana near maybe Koso. Now 1 month, by reason of the state of emergency, Asum Jaba. Now casualties are bemwa. You think that people in Kumasi will not be happy?
Yeah. How many times? And I want to say, Emranti alcohol no more money, illegal miners are site, alcohol crash with your security agencies.
It is because omoni omo pray because omufi say tie even if MPP ni na MPP will power. Nese Aban declare state of emergency, officer the party for Krabitima Bebuano. When the state of emergency is declared, no national chairman or constituency chairman will tell guy they say Konasem to Amabeju.
No, even at this time. You
see, now NDC stand accused by people who are into Galamsey say your people are there. MPP stood accused. Say national organizers, women organizers, constituency chairman were involved. So what has changed?
That is the direction.
Nothing has changed.
The direction from the president. Yeni Krumanom na Lands and Natural Resources Minister Yera Abujinapo. Abro Bekache say Yera Konta mining 4 year mining. The deba some na Yera Kufado Bekai. A one more na president Kufado ye de. But this time, ya bra ye be boy Yera Yamindi. Abra ye be boy Yera Joseph Yamindi. What is a president be and as NDC penny be about defending. So the approach is different now. Emre bi atwam no ye chi NDC ye chi MPP panyimu na man panyin no ankasa urefi Professor Frimpong Boateng report what the report ne buy na dru time bi ma ye pamo ni free na dwumam but this time so obi bo opanyin bi mpodin a say ye so ye man na aban say ye nkohwehwe ni nsemu. Moreover, this aban ya obai ye bai ye ntimi kasa NDC issue only one license impo Ediama any mining entity. One license impo entity. They're trying to say, baby, a mountain wo ni nyina ne yadea na MPP for ne ye de eye dada. And I make us say ya soldier foi any a police foi. See ya kaso
license on. What
I'm saying.
Also baby an MPP for war. Let me say MPP illegal miners.
No, baby I'm pay make nyina say. Baby aye mining ni nyina no. Baby I the license ne more in the previous administration.
But then it's not illegal.
Baby legal mining ne koso na honom na
illegal mining.
Yes. Don't you see it? And untina ema NDC ka say the responsible cooperative mining ne ba no. Because nanka ye ne Anglo Gold any the existing mining companies no collaborate. Nanka omo shows na anase omo concessions na omo didi so awie no. Anase omo concessions omo fanya adwuma no. Ya jibi e de ama Galamsey yes na anase mrantia na omo communities nim no. Said there be omo so benya concession ni bia de edidi so. Na omo anko illegal areas and I say areas are any demarcated for what? For mining. But on mining the bottom line is mining in yard bone. Yentimi njai mining e okuma. The only most important thing is ne say ye bepe kwan ya ye befa so a ebeye kwan papa. Na state of emergency ne die. Me free say it is too harsh for our people because it is say uti ade ba akoso asay no. Now they it's not proper.
Were you against state of emergency when MPP was in power.
Since day one, I have not been in support of this.
I have not heard you comment on it.
Yes, because you see, on my hand, I say, so cast a state of emergency, a police, a soldiers, a immigration for ya now the mobile.
But don't you think we have gotten to a place where the citizenry, who doesn't care about the number, the over 30 million Ghanaians who can go to destruction by reason of unknown act.
Good.
One person, and a group of people, by their actions, I say you, I'm a ne Ghana water say yen, a Juma Semni Sikasem wire deno, Yemetia 280% of water, Nipa Baku Ejuma or you, Nene, Abine say, who send the panel. Makaunti good. So who rahodoma mebo tuakun. Very good. No kodi ebo tuakun na wo say. Abana yam from so.
Obekai say me no ti o man ni ti me. Me pese me chese. O kai say just recently boko asem siye. E na ye de IGP mu a Inspector General call. O kai say mranti ni bi bubo ne car too.
Yes. So mranti bo ne car too because tell me Emrantia Bonica too because the Emrantia felt a sense of belongingness because of certain comments and statements and promises that were given to them.
So let me make my point, please. So my point is the mere fact so say police, soldiers, any military, any security agencies, and cotton share and conform moody bonesono does not mean that ube win fight. There is also the tendency that battle. So most of our soldiers will be shot and some of the citizens will be shot. And so the best way is
when a state of emergency is declared,
good.
No citizenry will take a gun. You don't know. Let me tell you something.
How do you justify that?
It is when a state of emergency is declared, the armory and the force that goes there. Obiani one man so a galamseya.
You use that force without declaring the state of emergency. It is an English.
It's
what is preventing
when that force is used, every soldier will tread cautiously in his action. The moment Rebecca say you declare state of emergency, you are armed to the teeth. Say anything untoward, act. Good. And you act based on that word given. See, soldier need echo Western region, and we are told a chairman says, "Say, mama, near some of your operation want to sign call." Officer state of emergency is declared. Chairman no would dare. No.
Why is that different from today? Why won't he dare? So I'm saying that don't mind again my argument, please. The mere fact, say Obeka say what declare state of emergency, no, it is not anything.
Oh yeah, my commander, I said, which I don't want to do.
Yes, but what they own, me person say, oh, don't mind. Let the listeners listen to us. Or we said the American, I have a little substance in my argument. The point is, the declaration I to say or mine was say what declares. I want to get a very common example to expatiate the point. The point is so because what declares state of emergency no a soldier for you or more krum heya or more kwa no money and call for ne kono mo na don be kwa akoye. Enti say we declare keke no does not mean anything. So we declare rather it will let people take advantage of it. Unim say you nipa boni phobia so o man mu a because he declare state of emergency to omo so o boni omo pese omo dia because he declare to omo ntimi ndie. The moment I be declare no oh my we are seeing nyina external bodies to penetrate into our borders. And I don't think yes.
Let me read this.
Good.
A state of emergency.
Good.
A formal governmental declaration during a crisis.
Okay.
Like a natural disaster or conflict. That temporarily expands government powers.
Good.
Allowing it to implement emergency plans.
Good.
And suspend certain civil liberties.
Good.
To protect public safety and ensure order.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
This declaration typically involved the executive branch, enabling it to allocate resources, suspend regulation, and direct various agencies to respond to the event, with the goal of protecting life, property and the community. Or is it temporary? Shadio, are we in a Galamsey crisis or not?
Yes. We are in a Galamsey crisis.
We are.
Yes.
There are certain civil liberties.
Okay.
People within
good
Galamsey, no, or more enjoy.
Very good.
With state of emergency,
good.
The government can declare, say,
good.
Even with this community,
may
declare my friend say curfew.
Good.
With a state of emergency.
Very good.
6 p.m.
Very
everybody
good.
goes to sleep.
Who are those?
If you are met,
yes,
you will be met with a force.
Yes.
Okay.
Who are those going to enforce the curfew?
The military.
Good. Is it not the same military that are going to the forest?
What is
that? I'm not getting my argument.
What is that? What is that, Manso?
Okay.
Yaka say civil liberties have been taken. And until you know be a MP and
does that solve the problem there?
Me busa what? Say
okay.
One will say soldiers call for state of emergency. The kind of ammunition somebody call quite different. The kind of posturing is different.
Good.
And yes, I'm a cost.
Pacho yede soldier for call boko no boko eja in Tokanako.
I mean, Casancho, but we declare state of emergency.
No, but
yes, so no, you should understand my point to say.
I get your argument.
The moment a state of emergency is declared, civil liberties,
yes,
certain emergency plans, contingency, which hitherto could not be taken, is taken.
Your point is well appreciated, but my argument is that say state of emergency they declare.
It does not solve that problem. That argument you are making. Police for Wahai. Good. Police for Wahai. One more year, good. But IGP can give certain orders.
Very good.
Yawaha. Oma orders say when a police ni biya nkujina kwem. The normal routine they go to check. But I'm out for complaining so IGP gives order no. It is followed. What I'm saying is we have come to a crisis situation. Nobody should look at it with a political eye, with a party eye. Share ensure you for come once a week. Ghana water complaining. Say the Neurometric Stability Unit, the NTU, no, it's supposed to be 2,500. Now it has jumped to 32,000.
Yes.
So they will need. So a draw gallon minua. Now they will need 100 gallons.
Okay.
Why nature? It's because of one person's greed.
Yes.
So Benyasika every a good year.
Yes.
No, we cannot afford.
We all appreciate that fact. But the simple point or the simple argument I want to say is that the state of emergency there, it will also go and lead to another problem. What I feel is that we have so many other options which have not yet been exhausted. Your options now won't be say CC one. Who say your son decided say one excavators here a babegu krum have a this time we will not allow excavators to come without permits. So unim adia the excavator ne baba ya.
Are we not here when 2 weeks, 2 nights ago,
yes.
excavators were being taken from port at midnight, 2 a.m.
Oh no, president has cleared it. Okay. We were the good port, a good port because na adosu bebre amanfo na acclare the aba. And a president say, anya president kwa Gapoa.
Say omudi congested.
No, please take it easy. And a Gapoa, say
because of traffic,
I am ho. Inti was say evacuating ni nyina. Inti yi aban na nkasa nya baabi a ye de kwa kogu. E na Gapoa for na de omo men evacuate. Inti omo yes, because of traffic. It's the president, a journalist asked the president. And the president cleared it perfectly. But this time, and yeah, they are illegal mining.
Ebegu for day.
I'm so my cranny dada. Ya cranny dada, abandon down no microphone a cry on the day. Oh, say you don't get the argument. Say you buy you.
So is it sad? Individuals so timinkra.
Good. Anything that buy a
president. Also because let's devoid the discussion from abandon. Oh, say. I didn't see CCA. No more they share say a binary say excavators and so any ye in an ajo. Allegedly saying say a year won't crop for.
Yes.
And a binary clear. Tabana Beckler say individuals ne cry enya bandada
Yes.
Akufo-Addo aban but individuals no and aban na say also you free her out of congestion
Yes.
now or the akogu
Yes.
every individual go there go and show your permit so on say yenyi abandada
I did not say abandada because aban mu nkrofo. I was saying it was imported during that era because Obianim
say abandada nkrofo.
Oh, fine, that is the first statement. You can correct me on that. But my argument was that it was imported during that era. But there was a appreciative buying we know any efforts. So first, no, nanka ye chief state agency and I ye bo penny bidia. Now buying protecting for protecting.
But let me say this to the two of you.
Okay.
Mahaye.
And this idea.
Politicians in Ghana, in your quest to fight Galamsey, Mahaye pa. Mumbi anu nyina MPP Mahaye. Mahaye do.
Let me place it on the record.
Because MPP when you were in power, there were kingpins and gurus. Now, national women organizer. Good. Yankoshi the excavators.
One nation, MPP aben, yes sir.
MPP na say no.
Was it to confirm say yes support and say we against?
Most support but
have they been able to get the boss to do that?
No.
To do
They are justifying why didn't Obebo? You have nobody's name to mention.
Chairman,
these are mere insinuations. These are mere insinuations. Say, report to you.
They say politicians in Ghana.
Report to
you. Why wouldn't him say you know your party campaigns were into Galaxy? You know, you too, you know. I don't know that was so good. Would you know?
So was not involved.
I'm not going to mention Wontumi. Listen to me. Listen to me. Alidu, I'm so enlightened not to mention Wontumi because Wontumi legal licensed. I'm talking about illegal activities of Galamsey. Your people. Body wine. But you know,
the whole minister, Akufo-Addo nankasa minister. And the kind, or no one Professor Frepo Wati Bekai, Yapamono, Lands and Natural Resources Minister Becamo. Report now, Charles Bisu, the womb. Oh, your campaigns are a bit more bomb, but see a bomb, or might see a bomb, almost a bind that. That was the dangerous part. It is a no be a penny by that anymore. So no be a penny by that anymore. Yes, a party here.
Yes. The fight against Galamsey, all of you have failed, and it is time for us to sit.
We are barely 9 months into office. And I am more. Yes, easy over 1,000 excavators in the last 8 months. MPP now in the last 4 years excavators or multimedia a new 800.
These are
factuals. These are factual. But yeah, buy on a so for
so now are you fighting Galamsey?
So yeah.
Those watchers are saying you are not working.
So for said abofra enfiem watwe abofra
enfiem ananti ye no edwehwe bosome watwe se
ye Ghana for say omo koso antai omo koso Ghana for koso antai because you see aban the presidency has shown commitment. It is a sense
so the call from Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey and Catholic Convention.
Yes. We in the NDC,
Bishop Convention
support the argument.
So then declare.
We support the argument, but the president say we have not exhausted all the processes.
But when they were declaring it last year on the Akufo-Addo, had Nana exhausted everything.
Say you tag for Bekana, Omutimi strike. They were not allowed. You tag for Bekana.
Who didn't allow?
The then government.
How?
You say university teachers forecast on mobile because strike.
Now because of strike, how can a government stop them?
So how come they?
It was TUC a coalition. Good. That said, say, Abino I make a commitment because also all the document to call parliament, I could repeal it.
Yes.
LI 246.
Very good. Since 2024.
Now your government is in power. Your government is telling us LI 2462 they are doing amendment because in future they got and people are saying no. Now the government has come back saying he will repeal it.
We will repeal it, but the first issue was from Afenyo Markins and the minority. Afenyo Markins they raise the objection at our parliament say yensanye pre-laying. No almost go through bill ni beam because there are some aspects that they will also want to amend. And I can say, hey. Ade a mo ankasa na mo approve ni in 2022 eye den na wo se wo se hwehwe mu bi that was what delayed the first process and na mo ankasa na mo hwehwe mra no mo ankasa na hwehwe mra no and na mo ye ya ba se ye be repeal and na wa minority no hwehwe mra ne sanse
no but the maintenance to constitution yes say but we have seen loopholes
amendment but
so there's nothing
but the point is enti no mu nim mra no mo hwehwe in 2022 no and no mo gitum and I fear the Naba Yemra, Asenko
Amaya Sa Emrano will go down in history as one of the worst dangerous Emra.
I was saying, LI 2462 near Coastal type President Mama NDC said, you better repeal because Parliament was on recess.
What him say, I am say, politicians, we have not come to understand the quantum of degradation and crisis we find ourselves in. Me who say politicians, the threat no because we have politicized Galamsey to the core say how many amania e de bre no mo ye lip service
politicizing but the point
you politicize it
I was say kakra
can just the kasa ni nyina na edi ko asabi wo bam wo so wo bam I don't know because just see di can you to us
mama kasa mi to mine look open on di nchene bottom NDC for Galamsey omo ye ho hwe because you know what me catch her say e bo sha omo ahye omo dada say e ba e be ma mo aye
eno na sa emra no
enti sa asem we aye ke look kwesi ko enzo odina kwantia omo ye ho hwe
oman
now you are me
but they are streamlining gold board is streamlining
ufi say MPP amamuo pa na national organizer Ekoshia Galamsey for catching one say abra na ehia mo ano mo na mo bo aye
it is not true
one say one day I mean video no one
say Yami say ye bobon ne say ye bobon ni din ese ono na ye illegal mining na benfo bia na e de hu ne yonko benfo
David he is talking about Yami meeting the small scale miners.
Atakwatia, that is what he's saying. Akwatia na saying is not true.
Muna mo bo aye wan.
Omani, let me explain it to you. Okoshia akwatia for or say benfo ene hu ne yonko benfo. Enti obisa akwatia for say me am gina hey say me mine Galamsey ni amo akwatia no. Enam say mine ni because o enti muni me. It will be so almost say or more.
Now apart from that, their way so can and they want ya na. So I say, yeah, born to a boy.
Relation center, moon na moye mai.
Why in the car? Was there one day? Yami say, let him this.
I'll say Yami Ashanti Regional Coalition Center.
It is not true. This is a very big platform and this is a strong allegation. Let him prove it. Let him prove it. Hey, now we can't say no we need dance here. They are saying they bossy muka. Let him. Don't even worry yourself. Mono man for data yet more no one the one who alleges must prove. He's the one alleging, so let him prove. But it's not true. You don't make insinuations.
No, let me tell you something.
You don't make a statement which you don't have evidence to.
Listen to me.
It's not true.
See, we sit here with our reputations at stake. Me sabi we are in this by me
okay.
What I say? Me nka bibi say ya me ndida me pam enfan no because
by ya me the end there concern minus and this obo ball near banga good say ya me support
to say that Ashanti region
is supporting illegal
prove it
but or no say okwa I wish we could have the video.
One goodness video me ya pa say me nimba bi say the message store no me phone so but unim me hwehwe video
don't worry the moment I get the video
I mean anka na my menya dey afim me bibi enu amenya afiri mu
wait now he's playing on emotions so
no I don't care whether you see the emotions or whatever it is I don't care but what I want to tell you is that you see you are too of a double standard and this for masema
you are double standard than us
now I bet na say o see ya won't say ya mean say
well, so now prove it to me na many way. So my
okay, mommy your birthdays no back quickly. Let me do the birthdays. Happy birthday to Michelle Afole Ado of KNUST. Oh mommy and Mrs. Ado, marketing managers, and marketing manager ewo Caspin Media. Michelle Afole Ado. Today is your birthday. Oh KNUST 5th year. Your medicine. Happiest birthday to Dr. Frederick Edu from Christiana Kobna, and then Leonard Otimboama Kalon. Your mom is of Mame of Swami Sompa Water Seller. Okay. Benedicta Chekusi of Confanochi Procurement. Na Mami would name much and I say a channel. Me who anymore. Hey. Yehoah. Benedict Chekusi, Confanochi Procurement, now at Diabetes Chest Clinic Pharmacy, Kwabran Safwa, and Ediwe Brewo. Lydia Indago, or level 300, College of Nursing and Midwifery, Tano Dumasi. This is coming from Lizzie. I was your former time and aso. Na, Bedema Beja Fono Subisiha. Yamre naso.
Obane o me nko ya numpo da mijama o mo Ghana fo ni.
Yamre naso.
Ba mi ada bi ya ka bibi fa ba mi an se ba mi e bi share party for no so party for enfa ye boni nyina
enche. That's right.
Look, what you wanted to say is this. Oma ne ma ye MC da. Oba bedwam mu a on. Obi be for left, obi be for right, obi be for chiri. Obi wonom kra wadwen kra ni so. Na adwen be ye ne se owu no kra wa ncha na wutwam.
Umfa na nya hwe bio.
Na me no sunti kra no on wankoto aba ma MPP saa na ma we num nyina bi won ma okopɛ protocol bi wo ba bi we nya minister no me frɛ
no nyina ko wie sɛ mo fa nkyɛ
ɛno no kan wa ma me kan kyerɛ ye sɛ mo NDC wo na wo pa ma chow
okay I was your for you to see her go microphone what do no
me say said the mama kwaya so from penifo ya mo man mu no e na makai his excellency president mama won pai boom sunsumu penso na ma emre yenim se papa na ready to deliver nenso so ba wo share Ghana fo nyina ogusu a wo ye de
oh ye ne kaka that was your for me to see her Ember Power takes over Ember